Hello everyone, my name is Paul Nischal and I represent team number 20 and the name of our project is Soccer Station. From the last time we did a video, I would like to start off with what we have improved after almost a sprint. As you can see, if you compare the video from the last time, our application has incrementally improved as far as the user interface is concerned. As you can see, our Soccer Station now has a football beside it, and our navbar elements, as you can see further in the video as I show a demo, you will be able to see that the components have improved, and obviously you can see a live muted looped video playing at the back, which falls in line with the theme of our Soccer Station website. So to start off with, we have enabled registration for Soccer Station. So let me register a person. Let me register myself, Paul Nischal, and let me give myself an email ID. And a password. So as I click sign up, a toaster message comes up saying that Paul Nischal is registered, and I'll be able to log in now. So as I try to log in with the same ID that I signed up with, so here it goes. And the password. If I click on submit, I'll be taken to this page, which is a landing page for a user. Welcome dear user. Over here we have drastically improved the UI from the last time. The focus of the sprint was to improve UI. So we've done that successfully. Over here, as you can see, I'm using a breadcrumb in order to open and show a site navigation. Here we are giving the user a chance to book ticket. We will be implementing booking of tickets over here. And one more thing that Professor Findler has asked us to do in one of his Slack messages was to give a third-party address of a website to make the user know the rules. So we have implemented that. If we click on this know your rules, we will be redirected to this page that Professor Findler asked us to show. That is one thing we implemented. And obviously the logout functionality has been introduced in this version of our release. And we have also worked on role-based logins this time. I would like to give an example of a role-based login. Professor Findler told us about the logins that our websites can have, and one of the logins that we have authenticated back in our DB is team director. So he will be logging in, and once the team director is logged in, he will automatically be taken to the team director landing page based on his role. And these are the various tasks that we will be implementing further for a team director. That is implementing the ability to schedule matches, managing players, adding members, scheduling matches for the teams, the messages that the team director receives, the support, and obviously the logout function. Over here, as you can see, we are keeping the UI stable all across the various users and actors involved in this application. So from the last time till this time, we've considerably improved the UI, and we've made sure that the user interface is much more responsive. The logout works for this part as well.
Continuing with our video, our Taiga task board for Sprint 3 looks like this. We started our sprint on the 16th of October and it ended on 30th of October. We successfully finished 100% tasks that we had planned under the user stories, and these are all the user stories which have been successfully closed, and I will be running you through our working application as I relate each user story in our task and also the people who mainly worked on our task. So just to give an overview, we started our sprint with a vision to complete the team director page, the referee director page, tournament director page, field director page, the authentication, DB, creation, integration of UI and backend. And along with that, we also made sure that we concentrated on testing. So how it has been is that every task that was created, every user story that was created had a corresponding testing task that was assigned to another person who didn't actually work on the development in order to capture any mistakes that we made. So that was that we were quite successful in that. So I will run you through the individual logins. So before I do that, our backend security authentication and integration have been done by Vinay Kumar, and they've been successfully tested by Kartikeya and Sham. So backend testing has been taken care by Kartikeya and Sham, and our backend dev has been taken care by Vinay Kumar. So he has done all these tasks: user secure authentication, secure the database and base and application integration. So he has done these tasks. So talking about the UI, so we will talk about team director. Before that, we will talk about the referee director. Referee director has been implemented by Rohit Gatipati, and these are the various tasks that were included along with Rohit. A few others have also worked on it. So I will just log into the referee director. So we have backend authentication done for the referee director. If I submit it, this is the landing page for the referee director, where the various tasks for a referee director are mentioned. That is accepting the referees, to accept the proposal of referees, scheduling referees, and selecting fields. So this will be we will be taking up in the next sprint, implementing each of the pages. So we have our next task, next user-based login that happened was for field director, and field director was mainly worked on by Mr. Akhil Prashist, and along with Akhil, there were a few others who helped in testing and also with the research. So, and if I log in using the unique ID that we assigned to the field director and enter the password, we will be taken to the field director page. And here field director tasks are given. These are adding maps to make. We will be implementing this field information, scheduling fields. So this was worked on by Akhil Pratist, and along with him there were other people who worked on it, and testing was also uniquely done. So before talking about the next user-based login and who implemented that, I'd like to tell that we also incrementally improved our user interface, as you can see, and as I talked before. So that was one of the incremental thing that we did. We also made sure that the UI was consistent all along. If you look at our video previously and now, there are a lot of UI changes that have been done, making sure that our soccer station has been constant with the UI. See, as you can see. So these are the two incremental things that were done. And the third practice that we incorporated was each and every development task was assigned with a testing task. So for example, as you can see, team director landing page was tested by Mr. Akhil. Secure authentication was tested by Mr. Sham. Field director was tested by Mr. Sham. Integration testing was done by Mr. Rohit. Referee director was tested by Rohit again. And audience landing page was tested by Paul. So we made sure that testing was given importance. And after referee director and field director, we have Tournament Director. Tournament Director was the dev for landing pages, the sidebar and all was done by Sham. As you can see, if I enter tournamentdirector@gmail.com and enter the password, we have all the tasks that a tournament director is assigned to. The access roles, to implement the access to the roles, advertising, FAQ page, hotel booking, marketing module, registration form, and sponsor page. So we will be implementing this tasks that are there on the sidebar soon. And the next role that we have implemented the landing page for is the team director. The team director was mainly worked on by Paul, the UI, and also all the tasks, they were researched and helped together by Akhil, Rohit, and Paul. So if you log into the team director, you'll see that all his tasks come on the left: schedule matches, managing players, adding members, scheduling team, messages, support, and logging out. So that's team director. And the last one is registration. We've also already shown about the registration before, and that was worked on by Paul Nischal. Registration and the registration page. For example, if we've registered a person called Paul Nischal before, we will use that same ID to log in, and I can see the user who was registered is able to log in now. He'll be able to book a ticket and he will able to know the rules. So our DB testing and referee director implementation was also done by Mr. Karthikeya. This was also done by Mr. Karthikeya along with the integration part. The integration testing was also done by Mr. Karthikeya. And our authentication, DB, integration of UI was done by Mr. Vinay Kumar. Talking about our burn down chart. Our burn down chart looks like this. We made sure that we had a great start at the initial days and we were so close to the expected line. But as we went ahead, due to our midterm exams and stuff like that, we wavered a little, but we made sure that we buckled ourselves and we finished all our points at the end. This is how our backlog looks like. We have implementation of the given logins, roles, and we are looking forward to implement all the pages that you saw in the sidebar for each user-based login. The tournament director, referee director, team director, field director, and volunteer director. We will be implementing all the features in the upcoming sprint. So that is what we look at, and these are our 3 sprints, and we've successfully completed our sprint 3. This is our burn down chart, and all of our tasks have been successfully closed.
So thank you for watching our demo. This is team 20, which is currently working on the 3rd sprint of the project Soccer Station. Thank you so much.